The is a naval fighter aircraft developed from the Su-27 platform and designed specifically for aircraft carrier operations. It represents Russia's attempt to adapt a highly capable land-based air superiority fighter into a sea-based role. With reinforced landing gear, folding wings, and a tailhook, the Su-33 demonstrates how engineering was reshaped to meet the harsh demands of carrier takeoff and landing. One of the most impressive aspects of the Su-33 is its size and presence. It is larger than most carrier-based fighters in the world, which gives it strong fuel capacity and long operational range. This allows it to patrol wide maritime areas and provide extended air cover for naval fleets, something critical for protecting carrier strike groups in distant waters. The aerodynamic design of the Su-33 highlights its agility despite its heavy frame. Its canard foreplanes and advanced wing structure improve lift and control at low speeds, which is essential for carrier landings. These features also enhance maneuverability in air combat, making the aircraft capable of performing high angle of attack maneuvers that are difficult for many rivals to match. In terms of power, the Su-33 is driven by twin engines that provide strong thrust for short takeoff runs from ski-jump carrier decks. This allows it to launch without catapults, a defining feature of Russian aircraft carrier operations. The engine performance ensures reliable acceleration even when the aircraft is carrying weapons and fuel for extended missions. The cockpit of the Su-33 reflects the design philosophy of its era, combining analog instruments with digital displays. While not as modern as fifth-generation fighters, it still offers pilots clear flight data and combat information. The layout emphasizes situational awareness during challenging carrier operations, where precise control and quick decision-making are essential. Weapon capability is another strong point of the Su-33. It can carry a variety of air-to-air missiles, guided bombs, and rockets, enabling both defensive and limited strike roles. This flexibility allows the aircraft to protect naval assets from enemy aircraft while also supporting surface operations when needed. The Su-33 is primarily optimized for air superiority missions rather than deep strike operations. Its radar and missile systems are best suited for detecting and engaging airborne targets over the sea. This focus makes it an effective shield for naval fleets rather than a primary offensive attack aircraft. Operational history shows that the Su-33 has been used mainly aboard Russia's aircraft carrier Admiral Kuznetsov. Its deployments demonstrated the challenges of maintaining large fighters at sea, especially in harsh weather and limited deck space. Despite these difficulties, the aircraft proved that Russia could sustain carrier-based air operations with domestically built fighters. Maintenance and logistics have always been a challenge for the Su-33 program. The aircraft's size and complexity require significant support infrastructure, and carrier conditions increase wear and tear. This has limited the total number of units produced and kept the fleet relatively small compared to land-based fighters. From a technological perspective, the Su-33 reflects late Cold War and early post-Cold War design thinking. It does not incorporate stealth shaping or fully modern avionics, but it compensates with robust structure and excellent flight performance. Its reliability in demanding naval environments remains one of its most respected qualities. Training pilots for the Su-33 is particularly demanding. Carrier landings require precision and discipline, and the aircraft's power and mass mean that mistakes can be costly. This has made Su-33 pilots some of the most skilled and specialized aviators within the Russian Navy. In comparison with Western carrier fighters, the Su-33 stands out for its size and range but falls behind in terms of modern electronics and networked warfare capability. Aircraft like the F/A-18 or newer fighters emphasize multi-role versatility and advanced sensors, while the Su-33 remains more traditional in its combat philosophy. Despite its limitations, the Su-33 holds symbolic importance. It represents Russia's entry into true carrier aviation and showcases the adaptability of the Su-27 family into naval roles. This legacy has influenced later designs and modernization efforts within Russian naval aviation. The future of the Su-33 is closely tied to the condition and availability of Russia's aircraft carrier fleet. As newer aircraft and technologies emerge, the Su-33 is gradually becoming more of a transitional platform rather than a frontline solution. However, its continued service shows that it still meets certain operational needs. Overall, The Sukhoi Su-33 is a powerful and distinctive carrier-based fighter that blends strength, agility, and endurance. While it may not match modern stealth fighters in electronics or survivability, it remains a symbol of naval aviation ambition and engineering capability. Its design and service history make it an important chapter in the story of Russian military aviation.